Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. Today we will be painting this loose floral. Okay, it's easy to start. Anybody can start it. Okay, so we're starting with paper. We should use 300 GSM paper because it gives you more. You can use more water on paper. Okay, now I'm telling you about the brush. It's a mop brush. You can use any brush. The colors we'll be using, this is I'm using one pink and two greens. This is phthalo green. Okay, this is olive green, and we're using one brown, and I'm using it's a darker brown. You can say it's Dan white brown. Okay, now here comes my dirty palette. I just mixed my pink in there. It's a bright pink, rose pink. Okay, I'm just using it in a very consistency. It's like a loose consistency, and I'm holding my brush from not from the very starting point, but from the end point to give it more loose strokes. And if you want to paint anything loose and free, always hold the brush from the end side. जितना आगे से पकड़ेंगे उतना कंट्रोल रहेगा. जितना आप उसको थोड़ा if you want some loose strokes, तो you hold the brush from the end point. Okay, it will give you more loose strokes, better strokes. ठीक है, मेक श्योर कि आप ये थोड़ा सा राउंड में बनाएं, राउंड शेप में. जस्ट आप ये फॉलो करिए. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग ब्राउन फॉर द स्टेम्स. अभी देखिए, जैसे मैं अगर मुझे लूज चाहिए तो मैं उसको एंड से पकड़ूंगी तो आई विल हैव लेस कंट्रोल ओवर इट. अगर मुझे ज़्यादा कंट्रोल चाहिए तो मैं उसको आगे से पकड़ूंगी एंड इट विल गिव मी मोर कंट्रोल. Okay, now I am using my darker green to paint the leaves. Okay, leaves paint करना is like really easy. It's just I'm using the shape of my brush. Tip, pressure, tip. ऐसे हम इसको पेंट कर रहे हैं. Just adding a little bit of more color. Now I'm using my sap green. थोड़ा सा green add करने के लिए. A little bit. Here and there. So that whole composition looks good and combined. A little splatter, because splatter के बिना तो हमारी complete नहीं है painting. We need to complete it by this. Now I'm using a purple. Starting with the center of the flower to highlight the center. Now I'm holding the brush from the front to get a more controlled strokes. Okay, I'm just giving it more definition. थोड़े थोड़े स्ट्रोक्स हम डार्क कलर से कर रहे हैं इधर उधर. जस्ट एडिंग, हम कॉन्ट्रास्ट भी ऐड कर रहे हैं और थोड़ा अपनी स्ट्रोक्स को हाईलाइट भी कर रहे हैं. सो वी नीड टू डू दैट. ओके, आप ये स्टेप कर भी सकते हैं, स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर हार्ड एजेस पसंद है तो यू कैन डू दैट. मुझे सॉफ्ट एजेस पसंद है, इसलिए आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग सम वाटर एंड जस्ट सॉफ्टनिंग द एजेस. ओके, that's the magic of the watercolors, that you can soften these edges. Like if you use a 300 GSM paper, you can do that. Okay, just darkening the center, like highlighting the center a little bit more. I'm using a little black color here and some random strokes to highlight where the petals are going. Okay, just simple, just highlighting 2-3 points so that you can see like, okay, this is happening over here. Simple. And here we are, done. Splatter, splatter. So this is just painting a flower under 5 minutes, and here we are. Anybody can try this and you will enjoy it. Your young kids can paint it and they will just really fun exercise to do it, to get started with watercolors. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, do post your comments, and happy painting. Bye.